so let us see this. So mathematics just got easier with the arrow to those. Still on the factor theorem, we are going to be taking an example. Which of the following is a factor of x to the power of 3 plus 2x to the power of 2 minus 5x plus 6? And we have the first one, x minus 1, x minus 2, x plus 2. Remember when we learned about the factor theorem in the previous class, that you can only have one of these to be a factor of this polynomial if there is no remainder. That is, if f as a function of c, if you don't get a remainder. What do I mean by this? For example, x minus 1, when you equate it to x minus c, this x is x, negative is negative, and 1 is c. Meaning c is equals to 1. So, you reckon, here you have f of x to be equals to x cubed plus 2x squared minus 5x plus 6. So you say f as a function of c. So x minus 1 will only be a factor of this polynomial if f as a function of c is equals to 0. So let's see. F as a function of c, that will be, what is the value of c? 1. That will be f as a function of 1. So that will be 1 to the power of 3 plus 2 into bracket 1 to the power of 2 minus 5 into bracket 1 plus 6. 1 to the power of 3 gives 1. 2 times 1 to the power of 2 is 1 times 2, that is 2 minus 5 times 1 is 5 plus 6. 1 plus 2 gives 3. 3 minus 5 gives negative 2. Negative 2 plus 6 is what? 4. So this is not a factor because you have a remainder of 4. For it to be a factor, it should be 0. Let's check the second one, x minus 2. So x minus 2. When we equal to x minus c, c is equals to 2. So you have f as a function of 2. So let's see. X cubed, that would be 2 cubed plus 2x squared, that is 2 into bracket 2 squared, minus 5x, 5 into bracket 2 plus 6. So 2 cubed, that is 2 cubed gives 2 times 2 times 2, that is 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, plus 2 squared is 4, 2 times 2, 4, times 2, 8, minus 5 times 2 is 10, plus 6. So we have 8 plus 8, that is 16. 16 minus 10, that is 6. 6 plus 6, that is 12, which gives 12. This is not a factor because the remainder here is 12 and not 0. Let's check the third one, which is x plus 2. See, x plus 2. Now let's equate x minus c. Now you can see here we have plus and here we have minus. So to make it actually the same, x minus minus 2. And we have x minus c. Because minus times minus 2 gives plus. So c here is minus 2. That would be f as a function of minus 2. We are going to put minus 2 into this equation. So let's see. Minus 2 to the power of 3 plus 2 to the power of minus 2 squared minus 5 to the power of minus 2 plus 6. Okay. Minus 2 to the power of 3 gives minus 2 times minus 2, that's minus 4. Minus 2 times minus 2 gives 4, rather. And 4 times minus 2 gives negative 8. Then minus 2 squared, minus 2 times minus 2 gives positive 4 times 2, that is 8. Then minus 5 times minus 5 gives plus 10. Then you have plus 6. So minus 8 gives 0. Then 0 plus 10 gives 10. 10 plus 6 is 16. So we can see that none of these is a factor because none of them gives 0 as a remainder. I hope you have learned something. See you in the next class.